Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Eufy Smart Doorbell using Eufy Security step by step clearly. Start by gathering all the tools and materials needed for the installation. Ensure that you have your Eufy Smart Doorbell, the mounting bracket, screws, and the power adapter. Locate your existing doorbell and turn off the power at the circuit breaker. Next, remove the existing doorbell by unscrewing it from the wall. Carefully disconnect the wires attached to the old doorbell. Take the Eufy mounting bracket and position it on the wall where you want to install the doorbell. Use a level to ensure that the bracket is straight. Mark the screw holes with a pencil for accurate drilling. Drill the marked holes and insert the provided wall anchors. Now, attach the mounting bracket to the wall using the screws provided. Connect the wires from your home to the Eufy doorbell. Ensure positive and negative connections are secure and isolated. Carefully attach the doorbell to the mounting bracket. Press firmly until you hear a click indicating it's securely fastened. Restore power to the doorbell at the circuit breaker. Download and open the Eufy Security app on your smartphone. Ensure your smartphone is connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Follow the on-screen instructions in the app to reset the doorbell and connect it to Wi-Fi. Once connected, you will receive visual and audio notifications. Test your doorbell by pressing the button and checking the app for notifications. Adjust the camera angle if necessary to capture the desired view. Your Eufy Smart Doorbell is now installed and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.